everybody, it's Tired Mama, and I'm here today to do something a little bit different than normal. So as you guys know, I normally teach about how to teach better, or how to teach for Palfish, or how to work from home. I've got some cooking recipes. Well, today I wanted to do something a little different, and my family and I went to the local Asian supermarket today. And I picked up some snacks, and I thought it would be lots of fun to try them with you guys and let you kind of see what it's all about. Okay, so all of these snacks are from China, and I'm going to Google them so we can kind of see what they say before I eat them. And let me start off by saying I am not an adventurous eater. Just in all honesty, I like the same thing all of the time. Now by that I mean, like, I like meatloaf and mashed potatoes and hamburgers and french fries. I'm not one for really going outside of my comfort zone too much. But for this, we're gonna try it. So this is our very first item. It says nothing. Okay, you guys, there's no English on here. There's no English on here. Except it says made in China. Okay, so let me do a little Google for it. All right. Now, okay, so it says right here, it says milk grape. And then up here, the fairy tale world is not only a child's. They're purple in color, that's what that says. And 70 grams. Picture is for reference, not size only. Okay, so these are milk grapes. They feel like maybe they are freeze-dried. Maybe. They look really cute, like the package. Let's see what the back says. Okay, so up here it says, I'm the year of the dream. Then it says, in this purple section right here, it says, I am the year of the dream. If there is a bed of snacks, I will definitely become a professional bed. If there is a flying carpet, I must fly to the country with the most snacks. Oh, that's cute. So it's a cute little saying for kids. Now, how do I get in it? Okay, so you got little tear tabs at the bottom. Oh, yeah. They kind of smell like raisins. They're grapes. Oh, okay, okay. So they're raisins, but... Oh, let me see if I can get it to focus. So it's a raisin, but it has like a powder on it. It's a raisin. And it has some kind of okay, so it is a raisin. You can see in the package, it's raisins. They have a powder on the outside. It's almost like a sour powder. The grapes are also very sour. They are larger than what I've seen here too, than typically what we have. Okay, so this is our next one. This is something in the back says it is spicy lotus root. Okay, let me Google what it says. Get rid of that flavor. Okay. Okay, so the package says it's spicy. It just says spicy lotus root with vinegar. Guys, this is like a snack treat too, guys. I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried. Spicy isn't always my thing. It says it's good. Okay, so it's good spicy lotus root. We're gonna open. This comes with individual packages. Ooh, I'm so sorry, y'all. Individual packages. So, ooh, and it's like, can you see how it's like vacuum sealed in there? Let's see if it has anything else on the outside. Maybe what does that say? If you don't have the Google Translate app on your phone, you need it. Okay? It says, do not what? Do not what? What does it say do not? I think there's a problem with the translation. Let's see. Okay, it just says spicy lotus fruit. So we're going to open this. I will say this, a lot of these packages, like this is what you would expect. Here, our tabs would be at the top to open them, but almost all of them, they're at the bottom. Whew. Whew. Oh. Oh. Okay. If I could explain the smell. Oh. It smells like a skunk perm. That's what it smells like. A skunky perm. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to eat this, guys. I'm not gonna eat a lot of it. Okay, let me show you. This is what it looks like. Okay, I can see the spicy flavoring on the outside. How about this? I'm gonna lick it. I'm gonna lick it for y'all. And you can see down in there that there's like peppers. Has anyone ever had lotus before? Okay. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh. Good night. Oh. No. Oh. Okay. A lot of you guys have seen these. These are the marble drinks. This is melon flavor. You'll see it has, up at the top, it has this pinch point. Now, we actually get these quite often. My daughter loves them. Okay, guys. So, this is what the lid looks like, okay? And you push this out and you get a little stopper. Okay? So, to get the marble into there, you have to put this up here, and then you push down, and you have to hold it for a second. Because guess what? That's a fizzy drink. You see the fizzy in there? Okay. Now, look where the marble is. Alright. So, here's the marble. It's rolling around in here. The complicated part is to drink it. Because the marble still rolls around in there. These are very good. They're very sweet. Just like a flavored soda. Oh, it really gets rid of the skunk ginger too. Alright. So what's next? Okay. This has in English what it is. It's crab roe flavored broad beans. This is made in Beijing by Guangyang Foods Limited. Remember, a lot of the snacks in China aren't sweet. And so it's not abnormal. Oh, these look like they're fried. For snacks to be savory. So let's see. Oh, these smell good. They look like cashews. Okay. Oh, that's good. Kind of like just a flavor peanut cashew. Those are really good. Okay. Let's keep moving along. This is the next one. Now, from the packaging, I'm going to assume that it has something to do with orange. I don't know what, but we're gonna see, guys. Okay, what does Google tell us? Google tells us that it was made in China. And they are a biscuit with an orange filling. Okay? So, it contains wheat flour, sugar, palm oil, condensed milk, fructose syrup, and some salt. We'll see. I'm going to assume this is going to be sweet because it's orange flavored. Okay. Comes a little pack like this. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Okay. What it looks like. You can see it has like a little filling. That's good. That's good. Okay, so for reference, best so far. All right. These are called flakes. And that is the red fruit of a hawthorn. And at first we kind of thought they were firecrackers because they're just cute and small. Kind of looks like a summer sausage. That's all it is, just like a little. So it has a weird flavor or a weird smell. But we'll try it. Not at all what I expected. Kind of bitter, kind of sweet. I don't think I'd eat it on purpose, but they're not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, guys, here's the super exciting part. I want you to comment below with your favorite color. I want you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. And I have a box of goodies, including a marble drink and some cakes, some mango cakes, and some goodies, kind of like what I tried today, that I'm going to mail one person. And then I'm giving another package away when we do our meetup in Atlanta next Saturday. So, if you want a box of goodies for me to try of Chinese snacks, put your favorite color below, and then make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of those that you have. And because I'm going to check, I want you to at least be watching me on something else, okay? Till then, guys, have a fantastic night, and I'll see you in the classroom.